Hey guys, join me. Let's learn how to make a baggy or a palazzo pant with this type of waistband. First and first, you need to choose the size of the elastic you're going to be using as your waistband. Mine was 3 inches. In measuring all our vertical measurement, we are going to be considering this 3 inches as part of our length. Here, you divide your hip circumference into 4. I'm going to be marking that as our crotch length. I'll add 2 inches for ease and 1 inches to join the pant to the waistband. Down here, I'll be marking the full length of my pant plus extra 2 inches for the folding allowance. I'm going to be squaring all these lines out. Wherever I mark there as my crotch line, I'm going to be marking the same thing here. I'll come to the waistline and also mark the same thing there. Right now, I'm going to draw a straight line through. I'm taking it again. Wherever I mark here as my crotch length, I'm going to be marking it horizontal this way. Come to the waistline and also mark the same thing there. And then make a line through. I hope this is clear. Now, my hip circumference divided by 4. Wherever answer I got, I'm going to be dividing it again into 4. I'll mark that here and also mark that here. Mine was 2 inches. Over here, I'll step in by 1 inch and just make a curve to the... This is to give shape to the size of the pant. Moving forward to cut the back, I'm going to be putting the back piece on fold, place the front piece on top of it. Over here, I'm going to be stepping up by 3 inches, make a point there. And at this point, I'll be marking 2.5 inches. 2.5 inches. Here, I'll mark 3 inches. I'll continue marking 2 inches here. Down to the hem of the pants, I'll mark 2 inches all the way. Here, I'll come and draw a diagonal line this way, and I'll just go ahead to cut out. I'll pick only the front piece, come down by 1 inch, make a curve this way, and cut that out. This is to give it the center front slope. Once I'm done with that, let's go ahead and work on the pocket. So these are 4 pieces, 13 by 8 inches. Here I'll mark 3 inches and then 6.5 inches down here. I'll pick 2 pieces this way, arrange it that way, and then cut out the same shape as shown. The width of my waistband is 8 inches. If I fold it this way, my elastic is going to cover up 3 inches, and then 1 inch will be for the joining allowance. Check this very channel for the part 2 of this video.